No, this doesn't look too bad, man. It's just that when you get the rest of the enclosure, when you do, it's going to look a lot better because the rest of the enclosure will close up these little gaps. Pull on your side at the same time for the top.
There you go.
Okay. Now let's do the metal. Pull.
Yep.
Okay.
And the bottom, you got the bottom?
I'm just looking where this one goes.
The bottom, you put it here.
Right here. No, but there's another strap, right? That clips here. You got two clips. My question is where do we clip these? I got this little strap here. Does it go under the seat? Okay. There's no crossbars back here.
What, you're tied right here?
Gotta do the same thing on the other side.
So nice and tight down there.
I'll laugh if we have this upside down though, but I highly doubt it.
Well, you think it's supposed to attach from the inside?
I like. This is what. Oh, here, buggy wipes.
Hmm?
Dude, this strap seems a lot. No, I wouldn't be able to do that. You know, like what I thought. So, once again, we're going through underneath the seat. Back here. Now make sure you don't twist up your straps. And you pull.
So it's nice and tight.
Pulling this one also. And you thought we had to remove the box, didn't you?
Yeah. Honestly, I thought we had to remove my my little cargo box, but that went out pretty smooth.
A few little adjustments here and there, but but I think people who buy these usually don't have the roof rack yet. But pretty sure from the back you won't get any snow coming in.
Nope. Or mud.
Or water. So let's go for a little test drive with this and see if it holds up. Already getting that bike dirty. How am I supposed to get them? So as you can see, there's mud all over the back end. Seats are dry. And that's kind of normal because it comes from this end. But the center, stay clean.
Except you see.
Well, you don't have the sidewalls, man. Yeah. You can see. They would have went in. All right, guys, back window. Gravel road. Gonna go hit that 0 to 60. I want to see how much this thing will flop. Go. So as you can see, there's mud, more mud on the exterior, but the interior stayed clean. We do have a little bit coming in because our tires do stick out about 2 inches.
Yeah, I got some all over me.
But it doesn't flop in the wind.
And I was going 80 kilometers an hour.
And then we hit 80.